What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a 2006 Saturn Ion. The first thing what you want to do when you pop your hood pretty much is just come right here. I'm actually going to be changing the driver's side headlight. But what you'll see is these pins like this. You just kind of want to pull these pins all the way out. You have one on this side. You also have one right here that you just want to kind of pull all the way up like that. And once you have those pins out, then what you can do is kind of just pull out on your headlight assembly like that. And once you pull it out, it'll come out just like this pretty much. Now what you can see right here is you'll be able to get to all your lights and stuff that's inside of it. And then all you got to do once you get inside of here, spin your cap open like that. Then you'll be able to see inside of there. Which then you just kind of want to raise up on this tab, your electrical power thing off. You'll look inside of here, you'll see like a spin cap that's around it. You just going to want to spin that off like that, and that comes off. And once you do that, you'll be able just to reach in and pull out your headlight like that. Same thing will go if you want to change out, say, your turn signal or something like that. You just be removing this one over here and basically repeating the same process. Alright folks, once again, this is how you'll be changing out your headlights on a 2006 Saturn Ion. It's probably the same for multiple different years. Also, it's the same process you'll be using if you actually want to change out your whole headlight assembly like this. Once you have this out, all you will have to do then is go ahead and disconnect right here. And once you pull that off, then you'll be able to actually take off your whole headlight assembly if you want to like switch it out for a newer model or something like that. Alright, please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.